My name's Tom Martin. I'm the Vice President of Enterprise Procurement, and I work for PODS Enterprises. PODS has a pretty good history. Starting in 1998, they actually were the kind of inventors of the portable moving and storage business, founded by a group of firemen who came up with the idea of portable storage. They started building the first few containers in their driveways at home, along with our proprietary container lifting equipment, our Podzilla. Our company doubled in size. Due to that, we needed to make some changes on how we do things internally. We looked at it, put it down on paper, what would it take for us to become, more competent and really take this original design Podzilla to the next level. We would have had to look at, hiring engineers, buying IT systems, building that in-house knowledge to be able to do that. Or, we could go find a partner who they already have that skill set. That is their core competency, is designing and improving equipment along with, manufacturing that. How smooth really the transition has ended up going. Had a lot of nightmare scenarios of kind of outsourcing equipment and somebody not understanding it, or the first units getting out there and having issues and, maybe not having a supplier that would stand behind their product and things like that. If anything, I think RG's gone above and beyond that. They ticked some of the boxes that I mentioned before. They had the engineering staff. They seemed to be the right size company where they thought PODS would be, a material customer for them. They weren't scared away that it was a custom piece of equipment that we were really the only customer for. One of the things that really impressed me was they wanted to learn our business. So I think before we met a second time, a group of their engineers had gone to some of our local warehouses around the area here. Different times they came down to Florida to our headquarters. We had a truck driving championship that we have annually. They came and participated in that. They were taking notes and getting feedback from our drivers and operators. And I think that went a long way in their understanding what PODS is about, how this equipment is used. One of the really great advantages that we've found in working with RG Group is that they're not just a contract manufacturer. They're a flexible outsourced manufacturing contractor. And there's a big difference. In our business, it's cyclical. We have cycles in the housing market when there's more moving, less moving. So we don't always know what our demand is going to be a year, 2, 3 years down the road. It's kind of dependent on a lot of factors out of our control. So having a partner where, one year we may have an order that's 2 or 3 times a normal year, or another year it may be half of that or 20% of that. Having somebody that can flex up and flex down, have the skill set in-house, have the equipment, have the manpower to make that happen is a big advantage. Having RG do it, it's definitely brought a lot of things and options to us that we haven't had in the past. They have the engineering, they have the skill set for manufacturing, they have the relationships with the subs, they have the relationships with the key hydraulic components that, we didn't really have. It's really allowing me and my team to focus on other parts of the business to really grow our revenue and make us more profitable